welcome back to my channel, and here we will be working on the construction of a plane scale. I'm working on the construction of a plane scale, and I'm taking this first example, which says that construct a scale of 1:4 to show centimeters and long enough to measure up to 5 decimeters. We are to construct a scale of 1:4 to show centimeters and long enough to measure up to 5 decimeters. So here I wrote the solution, and I have outlined the steps that we have to follow in solving this problem. And step 1 is that you need to determine the RF, which is representative fraction. And from the question, our representative fraction is 1:4, which is also the same as 1/4 in case you are given in that form. Then the second thing that we need to do is to determine the maximum length. So the maximum length is in the question, which is 5 decimeters. Then the next thing that we need to do is to calculate the length of scale. And as I said in the previous video, the length of scale is calculated with a formula, which is RF times maximum length. So here I have RF times maximum length. My maximum length is ML, as I abbreviated it. So therefore we have the length of scale to be equal to 1/4 multiplied by 5 decimeters. And we know that 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. So therefore 5 decimeters will be equal to 50 centimeters. So therefore we have length of scale. By the time we calculate this, so we have the length of scale to be 12.5 centimeters. So we are going to make use of this 12.5 centimeters, okay, as the length of scale. So I'm going to say some things in the during the construction which I would like you to pay attention to. Okay, so as I said, so the first thing for us to do is to draw a line of length 12.5 centimeters. So okay, so I'm going to draw a horizontal line first, like this. Then I will take a measurement. So I'll take a measurement. So I'll take a measurement of 12.5 centimeters. 12.5 centimeters. So this is the starting point, and 12.5. So this is 12.5 centimeters here. So I've taken a measurement of 12.5 centimeters from here to here. So this 12.5 centimeters, I'm going to divide it into 5 equal parts. Why am I dividing into 5 equal parts? Because the maximum length is 5 decimeters. By the time I divide this 12.5 centimeters into 5 equal parts, each division will represent 1 decimeter. Each division will represent 1 decimeter if I divide this 12.5 centimeters into 5 equal parts. So what we are doing is that we are using 12.5 centimeters to represent 5 decimeters. So by dividing that 12.5 centimeters into 5 equal parts, each division will represent 1 decimeter. So I believe that is clear. So I'm dividing this into 5 equal parts. Now I'm dividing this to 5 equal parts. So I'm going to make use of my set square, so which I believe we know how to divide a line into a number of equal parts, but I will do it here. So I'm just going to make use of my ruler, so to take like 15 millimeters. So 15 millimeters or 1.5 centimeters. So this is 2. So this is 3. And this is 4. And this is 5. So I'll connect the last division to the end of the line, so where we ended that 12.5. So then I will set my ruler, as we know how to divide a given line to a number of equal parts, so which I have done before. and the videos are on my channel. So I'm going to do the same thing here. So we shift this to the next point and we draw. Then we shift this to the next point, we draw. So we shift this to the next point, we draw, and we shift to the next point and we draw. Okay, so we have divided the line to 5 equal parts, and then so next thing that we are going to do is to label is to number this point. So then by the first point here, you number it 0. So I will tell you the reason why we are doing that. So and then this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So we are going to make this, we are going to make it a rectangle of any width. So I'll just take the width, I'll just make the width to be 3 centimeters, that is 30 millimeters. So what I'm going to do here now is that at this point I will draw a vertical line. So I will just take the measurement at once. So that is 30 millimeters or 30 centimeters. So from here, so up, so this is 3 centimeters to this point. So this is 30 centimeters. I will also come here and take a measurement of 3 centimeters. Okay, so this is 3 centimeters. Then I will complete it as a rectangle. I'll complete as a rectangle. So this is it. Okay, now after doing this, I'm going to draw a vertical line on each of the points. So draw a vertical line on each of the points. Okay, okay, so the last one is this. So each of these division to represent 1 meter or 1 decimeter. Sorry, each of these division represent 1 decimeter. So all that we have here is 1 decimeter. As I said, that we are using that 12.5 centimeters to represent 5 decimeters. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do, as I said, that each of these represent 1 decimeter. So we need to divide one of them into 10 equal parts. Why are we doing that? Because we are asked to use the scale to show centimeters and to show the centimeters, and also decimeter. Though decimeter is not mentioned in the question, but as we have done here, and then based on the maximum scale, the maximum length that we are given, so we have to divide one of these. As I said, that each one of these represents 1 decimeter. By the time we divide 1 decimeter into 10 equal parts, those 10 divisions will give us each one of them will be 1 centimeters. We know that 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. So I'm going to divide this. So the first division here, where we have this 0, I'm going to divide it to 10 equal parts. So I need to divide it to 10 equal parts. So I'm going to do it. We see it here right now. Okay, so I just take like 5 millimeters. So 5 millimeters. So from here, so I want us to see everything about this. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, and here we have 10. Okay, so we join the last one to this point 0 here. So we join it to point 0 as we have here. So other ones we are going to join them by drawing parallel line. Okay, so I move it to the next point. So I will draw a line. Then, so here I will draw a line. So coming here, Here I will draw a line. Here also I will draw a line. Then here I will draw a line. Draw a line. Here I will draw a line. Here I will draw a line. And then the last one is this, so I will draw a line. Alright, so then the next thing that we are going to do is to draw a vertical line on each of these points. So I'm going to use my black pen to do that, so to make the line stick. So I'm also going to make the other one stick. So here I will draw a vertical line. So here also I will draw a vertical line. So at this point I will draw a vertical line. Okay, here I will draw a vertical line. Here I will draw a vertical line. Here I will draw a vertical line. Okay. Then I need to make this line a thick line. Okay, to be more visible. So this line will be a thick line. This line will be a thick line. This line is a thick line. Alright, so I believe you can see it clearly now. So I'll also make this line a thick line. So this line is also a thick line. Alright, so with what we have done here, so alright, so this is how the scale will look with all that we have done. So it is important that when you are done, so you write the units for this part, as each of these is 1 decimeter, and then each of these is 1 centimeter each. And then we also need to write we also need to number this. So this is 0. I'll just come here and then I will write 2 here. So here I will write 4. Okay, so here I will write this is 6, and this is 8, and then this is 10. So very important. So having done this, we have constructed a plane scale. It's as simple as I've done here. I'll still do more, and let's meet on the next one. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Keep up practicing and God bless you.